The serious game I have chosen is called Scary Nouns and Adjectives in Super Stories, and this particular game is focusing on a story about the abandoned house. It is aimed at students in years 3, 4, 5 and 6. So looking at this game, it's quite engaging and encourages students to be creative, and it lets them practice and learn about nouns and adjectives in a fun and interactive way. So we've got this character who tells the students that they are going to be the editor, and it's their job to read this book that we'll just go ahead and open now. So they read the story, which is just 5 pages long, and then they have an opportunity next to change some of the words to make it a little bit more exciting and descriptive. So this is where they have an opportunity to look again at what a noun is and some examples of it, and then they can change and select words, nouns particularly, that are appropriate to the context of the abandoned house. So they said undergrowth is a good choice because it makes the house sound abandoned. And then we change house to mansion, and that makes it sound spooky. Then for example, if we choose a word that's not appropriate, say post, they ask you to try again and think again what is more appropriate for that. So I've just gone ahead and finished the nouns, and now it's on to the next task of doing the adjectives. So once again, brief description and some examples of adjectives, and then we can go ahead and click on some adjectives. And once again, if you pick one that is not appropriate, they give you some hints and ask you to try again. And at the end, once we've done the nouns and adjectives, it allows the students to get creative and learn a little bit more about illustrations, and to pick a picture that they think would be appropriate for the story for each page. So we can see that that is quite creative and engaging, and the book is finished. This game is a great way for students to have a bit of a refresher, or if they don't know what nouns and adjectives are, to learn, and then also have a bit of fun with the pictures at the end. As we can see here, he gives a reason why this game is good and how students can use what they've learned in the future.